How to show local files on Spotify. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to show local files on Spotify. So let's get started. First of all, you will log into your Spotify account on your laptop PC or on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. On Spotify, we can listen to music, different artists and playlists. But do you know that we can also show our local files that we have in our computer, the music, MP3 files. We can add them to Spotify and listen to them anytime we want. How to do that? For that, you will have to click on your profile option right here, and then you will click on setting. In settings, you have to scroll down to local files. This option is available and you can see show local file. You have to enable this option. If it is disabled, that means you will not be able to find your local files on Spotify. But if you enable this option like this, if it's green, that means your local files will be shown here. So if I take you back to my Spotify and to my library, you will be able to see that I have my local files right here, and it is created as a playlist. I can now listen to them within my Spotify. This also works on mobile phone, and it is available for the free version of Spotify. So you can go ahead and enable this option to listen to local files and music of your choice. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to Software Made Easy.